Good day, viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm one of the best educational consultants. Thank you so much for watching my video, sharing my video, giving my video a thumbs up. Okay, now we are talking about the physics calculation. We are done with the first one, comparison. The second one, derivatives or dimension. You can use dimension or derivative. That is the live one. Or derivative, derived quantity. So now see example. See example. In physics, you know that force, let's take number one, force is mass times acceleration. That is force. Sometimes in calculation, they might give you for mass and acceleration and ask you to find force. So what you do, you use the formula and find it direct. Do you understand? This is second calculation aspect where your mind will go. So sometimes they might give you acceleration, give you force, ask you to find mass. You know, substitute. Do you understand? But now there's a situation whereby they will give you mass, velocity, distance, and ask you to find force. So that's why I was defining derivatives, the life quantities dimension, to let you know about this, because physics is all about dimension and life quantities. So you should know the formula for acceleration. Once you know the formula for acceleration, you will know that force is also can be derived from it. Do you understand? So know the formula for. They might give you the derivative of acceleration to confuse you. I get me. So they might give you that one to confuse you. So what we know that force can also be mass times formula for force times change in velocity or velocity. They can call it velocity without change, or they can call it velocity when the initial velocity is 0. The other one is working over time. You understand? So once you know this, you know peace. This one, change in velocity means velocity 2 minus velocity 1. When they give one velocity and the other, they can use any way to ask a question. Do you understand? So now know that you can change the formula for this one. Take formula for this one. This is how to know a calculation in physics. When you know the formula, you brought it out. Acceleration, velocity over time times mass is force. This is a force formula, because you must know all these derivatives, all these dimensions, so that anywhere they come, you can answer. But first of all, you will use parameter to know where they are going. They can ask you direct, force and mass, you multiply or substitute. But they can ask you, they will give you velocity, time, and mass. I ask you this one. Do you understand? So let's go. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. Let's take another one. Work done, which is now force times distance is work done. So now they might ask you they might give you force and distance. You do work direct. They might give you force and ask you to find distance with. They are giving you already work. You now make this man the subject formula. But in a situation, they might even use mass and acceleration. Do you understand? Mass and what? Acceleration in the question. You understand? So what you know that work can also be, you can substitute this mass and acceleration. Do you know why this is a fundamental? Because this one does not have formula. So know the formula of the whole derivatives of this man, of anything you are going for, because Jamb might not ask direct. They will use the formula of the other one to ask you question. You understand? So you know that this one is mass, acceleration, and distance. You understand? Mass, acceleration, and if you know this, you know peace. And also know the formula for acceleration. They might even be breaking it down without even calling acceleration. They might even use velocity and time. Velocity and what? Time. You might even be seeing mass, velocity, time, distance. I told you to find work done. You see, Jesus, they didn't teach me this one. I didn't know this one. Okay? No derivatives or dimension. Do you understand? So we can also say that work done is equals to mass times acceleration is velocity over time times distance. So these three are the formula of work done. You understand? So once you know it, it depends on the question you see that day. You tackle it once and for all. Once you know peace. Thanks so much for listening.